Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in our previous video, I give you an exercise to do to find the circumference of the radius 10.5 millimeters. So the circumference C is equals to pi d or 2 pi r. So which gives us an answer. So for pi, we said it's 22/7 times 2 times, of course, 10.5 millimeters, which is nothing but, obviously, we need to say 22/7 times 21 mm. So after multiplying these two, we'll get, this is 21, so 21, 7, 14, 21, it is 3. So we get 66 mm. So that's the solution for this question. So area, for example, let us start with the basic area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. So let us start with a rectangle. So you find out that a rectangle is nothing but length times width. If it is nothing but length times width, let us give an example in which we want to find the area of a rectangle, which is 20 centimeters long and let's say 10 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide, wide. So if that is the case, if you are looking into the area, like I said, it's length times width. So it will be 20 centimeter times 10 centimeter, which give us nothing but a 200. It is now a square centimeter. We need to put a 2 because the centimeter times the centimeter, it is a square centimeter, right? If it is x times x, it's x square. So in this case, it will be 200 square centimeter. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.